Good morning, children. Good morning. Can you all hear me, children? Raise your hands if you can hear me. Anvit? Anvit?
Yes, Maji.
Switch on your video once.
Switch on your video once.
Anvit? Switch on your video once.
Anvit? Switch on your video once.
Okay. Okay, Anvit.
Okay, Anvit.
Children, in our previous class, I have given two questions.
Previous class.
Okay. I have told you to find out
Okay.
the present Lokpal of India and the present Lokayukta of Karnataka. Did you find out?
Did you
Did you get the answer? Please raise your hand. Let me know how many of you found out.
raise your hand? Let me know how many of you found out.
Nikhil Aregide. Nikhil Aregide. Who is the present Lokpal of India? Did you find out the answer for that?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, tell me the answer.
Mr. Pinaki Chandra Ghosh.
Pinky Chandra Ghosh. Okay. So, Mr. Pinky Chandra Ghosh is the present Lokpal of India. He was appointed in the year 2019. Okay. Then, who is the present Lokayukta of Karnataka? Arun. Arun? Arun, can you hear me? Tejasvi? Tejasvi? Tejasvi Bhatt. Tejasvi Bhatt, can you hear me? Okay, Sudhanva. Sudhanva.
Mataji.
Yes. Tell me.
Virendra Singh.
What is the name
Virendra
of the... Yes, tell me.
Virendra Singh.
Is it Virendra Singh? Where did you get the answer? Rashmi Pai? Rashmi? Charan? Charan?
Vishwanath Shetty.
Vishwanath Shetty. P. Vishwanath Shetty is the present Lokayukta of our state. Okay. So, Pinky Chandra Ghosh is Lokpal of India and P. Vishwanath Shetty is the Lokayukta of our state. Okay, children, in our previous period, we have discussed about corruption. Okay, then we have discussed about discrimination. There, in discrimination, we have understood what is regionalism and how regionalism is a problem for unity and integrity of India, that we have seen, and what are the measures taken by the government to solve the problem of regionalism. Later, we were discussing about the low status of women. There we have understood something about the measures taken by Indian government to improve the low status of women, improve the status of women in India, that we have seen. Okay, in detail we couldn't discuss that day. Anyhow, we have gone through all the points. Now, I have brought the pictures of 4 ladies of India. I want you to recognize who are they. Okay, so is there Darshan? 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 Anvit Naik, Anvit G Naik, Banwasi.
माताजी प्रतिभा पाटिल.
Yes, Pratibha Patil. What is the achievement of Pratibha Patil? What credit goes to her? Anvit,
माताजी don't know.
you don't know that. Okay. Huh? Then Nitin Shetty. Nitin Shetty.
Mataji, first woman president.
Very good. She is the first women president of India. Okay, first women to become the president of India. Correct answer. Let us go for the next picture. Let us go for the next picture, children. Dhruva. Dhruva. Dhruva, can you hear me, Dhruva? Who is this lady? Dhruva. Okay. Dhruva missing. Shanvi. Shanvi.
Srimati Indira Gandhi,
Yes. What credit goes to her? Tell me.
first Prime Minister of India.
First Prime Minister. Is she the first Prime Minister of India, or is she the first
Woman
woman?
Prime Minister.
Very good, Shanvi. She is the first women Prime Minister of India. Okay. Now let us go for the third picture. Let us go for the third picture. Yes, Aniket Hegde. Aniket, identify this lady.
Sarojini Naidu.
Sarojini Naidu. Very good. What credit goes to her?
She was the first woman governor.
Very good. She was the first women governor of India. Okay. So she served as the governor of Uttar Pradesh. Very nice. Let us go for the next one. Yes, Bhuvana. Bhuvana. Can you identify this lady?
Sucheta Kripalini.
Sucheta Kripalani. Srimati Sucheta Kripalani. What credit goes to her?
She is the first woman chief minister.
Okay, she is the first women chief minister of our country. She served as the chief minister of which state? Do you know?
No, Mataji.
West Bengal. Okay. Yes. So this is about 4 great ladies of India. Now, in our previous period, we have understood the measures taken by the government to solve the problem or to improve the status of women in India. Okay, there we have discussed many points. Okay, one more question you can expect. That question is there also at the end of your lesson in the exercise part. So, what are your suggestions to improve the status of women? Okay, not the measures taken by Indian government, your suggestions to improve the status of women. Okay, with the help of the same points, measures taken by the government, you can develop your answer there. What will be your suggestions to improve the status of women? Please raise your hand. Who can answer? Yashaswini. Yashaswini.
Yes, Mataji.
Tell me, Marie. What will you suggest to improve the status of women?
Giving more opportunities for women.
Okay, giving more opportunities for women. Okay, correct answer. Then, Shreya,
Creating more awareness about girls' education.
yes, education. Awareness should be created among the people about the importance of education for women. Good. Then, Rashmi,
Supporting women to fight against exploitation.
yes, supporting women to fight against exploitation. There are many commissions, no? State level commissions are there, national level commissions are there to help the women. Okay, but women should be given information about how to reach those places and how to fight there. Yes, very nice. Then, Soumya, Soumya,
Same wages for men and women.
equal wages. Paying equal wages for men and women. Correct answer. Okay. There are many other things which we can expect. Education already you have told. Nutritious food should be provided to the women. Okay. Then afterwards, women should be given knowledge about the facilities available to them. Whatever reservation is available so far, now itself they should not be stopped. Okay. But how to use their power? About that, and how in Karnataka government has given 50% reservation in the local body elections. No, women are there in the Panchayat Raj institutions, but they don't know what they can do or how they can serve the people, how they can work for the betterment of their region. That women do not know. They will be very busy in their domestic works. Okay, it becomes very difficult for them to attend monthly meeting also. ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಮೇಡ್ ನೋ, ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ಟು make use of their power and what are the privileges are there, what provisions are there to work for the welfare of their region and their people there. About that information should be given. Then more loans and subsidies should be given to start self-employment. Women self-help groups should be given training. Okay, skill-based training should be given to your women self-help groups so that they can start their own business. ಹಪ್ಪಳ ಗಿಪ್ಪಳ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಫೇರ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಪಡಿಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವೇರ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಮೇಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಸಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್, they should be made powerful enough to fight for their rights and fight against their exploitation. Okay, so this is all about status of women, how to improve the status of women, our suggestions and the measures taken by the government for improving the status of women that we have already discussed. Okay, now let us go for the next important problem of India, that is terrorism. Okay, so let us understand what is a terrorism first. Please, who can define terrorism for me? According to you, what is terrorism? Try to define terrorism, children. Is there anybody who will try to define terrorism? Raise your hand. Neha. Neha. Shreya.
Method of achieving their goals by putting pressure and by wrong methods.
By wrong methods, by creating fear and violence with the help of violence, and by creating fear in the society, if anybody tries to achieve their narrow goal, then it becomes what, children? Terrorism. Okay. So let us go through the definition of terrorism. It is fulfilling the narrow ends. Okay. Fulfilling the narrow ends with the help of creating violence and fear, panic in the society. It is called terrorism. It is a way of putting pressure on the government to fulfill their goals. Okay. So, on what basis terrorism will be there in the society? What are the bases for terrorism? You can have three bases. First one is political ideology. Politics means relating to administration. Okay, politics means relating to administration, how to look after the country, what should be our country, what should be our border, about all these things. If there is a fight, then you can say that that type of terrorism is based on political ideology. In our country, we have this separatist theory in Kashmir, especially in Jammu Kashmir region. Jammu Kashmir region's terrorism is supported by Pakistan. Okay, after 1947, terrorism started in Jammu Kashmir region, and it is always supported by Pakistan. The people of Jammu Kashmir, few people of Jammu Kashmir, they want Jammu Kashmir to be a separate country. Okay, so this terrorism in Jammu Kashmir is based on what? Political ideology, separatist theory. They want to get separated from our country. This is one. Then second one is religious faith. So because of extreme religious faith, that is my religion is the best religion. Okay. Only my religion should be there all over the world. Means all the people of India should practice my religion. So if terrorism is based on this type of ideology, then it is on the basis of religious faith. Then third comes your ideological basis. There are different ideologies. There are different ideologies relating to what type of administration should be adopted in a nation. See, you have learnt about democracy. You have learnt about communism. Have you learnt about these things in your 9th and 8th standard, children? Do you know what is democracy and what is communism? Who knows what is democracy? Raise your hands fast. Who knows what is democracy? What is democracy? Rashmi.
People will elect their representatives to rule the government.
Yes, people will elect their representatives to rule them. That is democracy. No. Here, utmost power lies in the hands of whom? The people of that country. It is democracy, and our country is the best example for the country that follows democracy. One of the largest nations, one of the largest democratic nations of the world, our country. Then what is communism? What is communism? So democracy is need based. So democracy is not need based. Democracy allows every person to earn his income. But this communism is need based administration system. So in this system, the communism theory says that all the property belongs to the government. All the property of the nation belongs to the government. Whatever income is earned by a person, that belongs to the government, and whoever is there in need, for them government will distribute. Means equal distribution of income will be there in communism and socialism. So that is the difference between democracy and communism. In communism, the government doesn't allow people to earn their own income. Yaro ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರು ಯಾರೋ ಬಡವರು ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಹೇಳೋದು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಸಮಿನ ಥಿಯರಿ. ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸೋಷಿಯಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ರು ಸಮ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಒಬ್ಬರ ಮೇಲೂ ಒಬ್ರು ಕೀಳು ಅಂತ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಹೇಳುವಂತಹ ಐಡಿಯಾಲಜಿ ಯಾವುದು? ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಸಮ್. ಡೆಮೋಕ್ರಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ? ನನ್ನ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೋ ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಸೇರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸಿಗೆ, ನನ್ನ ಎಬಿಲಿಟಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನಲ್ಲ ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಚ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪುವರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮಿಡಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಒಬ್ರು ರಿಚ್ ಒಬ್ರು ಪುವರ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳೋದು ಯಾವ ಥಿಯರಿ? ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಸಂ. ಸೊ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಸಂ ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳುವಂತಹ ಐಡಿಯಾಲಜಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫೈಟ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ terrorism on the basis of ideology. Okay, so have you heard about Naxalites? Naxalism you might have heard. No, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bihar, yavaglu galate ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. So this Naxalites, they want socialist or communist type of government to be established in India. They want this income earned by all to be distributed to the poor people. ಹಂಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇವ್ರ ಥಿಯರಿ, ನಕ್ಸಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ 3 types of terrorism. We have terrorism on the basis of separatist theory. We have terrorism on the basis of extreme religious faith, and also we have terrorism on the basis of what, children? This ideological basis. Okay. Then after that, how terrorists work? Okay, how terrorists work? You know, no, terrorism, how terrorists work, what activities do they follow? What activities do they follow? Okay, within 5 minutes the meeting may end. You have to open the same link and you have to join the meeting, rejoin the meeting. Okay, tell me, how terrorism is practiced? Animesh, are you there? Animesh?